Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious coffee recipe. First, select high-quality, fresh coffee beans. This is crucial for a superior taste. Grind your beans right before brewing to preserve their aromatic oils and maximize flavor. Always use filtered water, as tap water can contain impurities that negatively impact your coffee's profile. These foundational steps ensure a great start to your brewing journey, setting the stage for a truly enjoyable cup. There are several popular methods to brew coffee, each offering a unique experience. Drip coffee makers are excellent for daily convenience, producing a consistent cup with minimal effort. For a richer, more robust flavor, the French press method is ideal, allowing the grounds to steep fully. If you prefer precision and a clean cup, pour-over brewing gives you complete control over the water flow and extraction process. Experiment to find your favorite. To perfect your coffee, pay attention to key details. A good starting point for your coffee-to-water ratio is 1:16, meaning 1 part coffee to 16 parts water. Ensure your brewing water is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction without burning the grounds. Finally, adjust your grind size. A finer grind for shorter brew times and a coarser grind for longer ones, impacting the final flavor significantly. Once brewed, serve your coffee immediately to savor its peak freshness and aroma. Feel free to customize your cup with milk, sugar, or even a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg to suit your personal preference. Remember, the best coffee is the one you enjoy most. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as fresh as your coffee. Enjoy your perfectly brewed cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.